Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include remote start, leather seats, dual sun moonroof, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.